Hi there. Welcome to Sterlinx Global. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the specialists in Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in traditional business and e-commerce. For our discussion today, we will talk about the tax benefits of an umbrella company or group structure company setup. But before that, let us first answer, what is a group structure company setup? A group structure company setup involves a holding of umbrella company owning several subsidiary companies. The subsidiary companies operate independently, but the holding company provides centralized management and control. The holding company can manage the finances of the subsidiaries, including dividends and profits. The subsidiaries can take advantage of the holding company's resources and expertise by having a group structure company set up. The holding company can provide support in areas such as finance, HR, and IT. Additionally, the subsidiaries can benefit from economies of scale, reduced costs, and increased purchasing power. Now, let's proceed to discuss the tax benefits of an umbrella company setup. The following are the tax benefits that a group structure company setup can enjoy. First, we have dividend distribution. Dividend distribution is a significant advantage of an umbrella company setup. It allows the distribution of profits and dividends between companies to avoid high personal dividend and director tax rates. This tax-saving strategy can be especially beneficial for businesses with multiple companies, as distributing profits and dividends to different companies can take advantage of the lower tax rates that apply to each company. Next is loss offsetting. Another significant advantage of an umbrella company setup is the ability to offset losses against profits. If one company in the group structure incurs a loss, it can be offset against the profits of another company in the group, reducing the overall tax liability. This can be a beneficial tax strategy for businesses that operate in industries with high volatility or cyclical markets. For example, if a business has two companies, Company A and Company B, Company A generates a profit of £500,000, while at the same time Company B incurs a loss of £100,000. The earnings of Company A can be distributed to Company B to offset the loss. This would result in a lower tax liability for both companies, and the loss incurred by Company B can be carried forward to offset future profits, reducing tax liability in the future. However, keep in mind that the process of offsetting losses can be complex and subject to strict regulations. In addition, the rules around loss relief can vary depending on the type of loss and the company's circumstances. It is recommended to seek expert advice from a tax professional to make sure that you are following the correct procedures and maximizing your tax benefits while staying compliant with regulations. Then we have VAT grouping. An umbrella company setup can also provide VAT benefits for businesses. Businesses can take advantage of VAT grouping by having multiple companies under one umbrella. Furthermore, if one company in the group incurs VAT on its purchases, it can recover the VAT from HMRC. The recovered VAT can then be offset against the VAT owed by other companies in the group, reducing the overall VAT liability. Second to last is capital gains tax benefits. An umbrella company setup can also provide benefits in relation to capital gains tax, or CGT. If one company in the group structure sells an asset at a profit, the CGT liability can be reduced by offsetting the gain against the losses incurred by another company in the group. This can result in a lower overall CGT liability for the group. And lastly, tax returns consolidation. A group structure company setup allows for consolidating tax returns, reducing administrative costs, and improving efficiency. Rather than each subsidiary filing a separate tax return, the holding company can file a single tax return for the entire group. This reduces the workload for the finance team and can improve the accuracy of tax filings. Additionally, businesses can take advantage of tax planning opportunities by filing a consolidated tax return such as loss offsetting and tax credits. A group structure company setup can provide tax benefits by distributing dividends and profits between companies, offsetting losses against profits and gains, VAT grouping, and consolidating tax returns, resulting in tax savings and improved operational efficiency. Before we end this video, let us first answer some of your FAQs about group structure company setup. How do I form a group of companies? To form companies under a group structure company setup, you will need to create multiple separate legal entities with their own names, addresses, and bank accounts. These companies can be owned and controlled by a holding company, which acts as a parent company to the subsidiaries. Are there any risks with setting up a UK offshore company? An umbrella company provides a framework for multiple subsidiary companies to operate under a single parent company. This structure offers benefits such as centralized management, shared resources, tax advantages, and liability protection for each subsidiary company. The subsidiaries can share the parent company's liability insurance coverage and legal protection, allowing them to operate with greater security and confidence. And our last question is, are there any downsides to setting up an umbrella company? While there are benefits to setting up an umbrella company, there are also potential downsides to consider. For example, the cost of establishing and maintaining multiple entities can be expensive, and the complexity of the structure may require additional legal and accounting expertise. Additionally, the risk of one company's actions affecting the entire group should also be considered. For more professional advice on your tax accounting needs, consult us by visiting the Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoy our content and want to explore more about similar topics, please like and subscribe to our channel. To stay updated, why don't you have a look at our other social media platforms? The links are in the description below. Once again, I'm Jay from Sterlinx Global, and I will see you in the next video.